As Chalawan and Cao Clai step into the ring for an unforgettable battle, both fighters exchange thunderous blows right from the bell, igniting the crowd's excitement. In an astonishing turn of events, Chalawan connects with a devastating punch, sending Cao Clai to the canvas. The crowd erupts as Cao Clai valiantly rises, proving his unyielding spirit. Cao Clai, the seasoned warrior celebrated for his raw power and remarkable resilience, retaliates fiercely. He lands a punishing blow that drops Chalawan at 108 of the same round. Chalawan rises with determination, setting the stage for an epic showdown. Round 2 brings even more drama, with both fighters refusing to back down. The momentum swings like a pendulum as they trade shots, resulting in dramatic knockdowns. At 222, Chalawan finds himself on the canvas once again, demonstrating his unwavering resolve by climbing to his feet to continue the war. The climax arrives at 152. Cao Clai, facing the brunt of Chalawan's relentless assault, succumbs to a powerful blow that sends him crashing to the mat. This time, the referee's count reaches 10, marking the end of the fight. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling moments from the world of combat sports.